What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to convert your window to the sliding door. So the sliding patio door we're going to install here. So we have to cut this bottom piece to make the space for the sliding door and take the window off and put the new window. So to start we have to cut all around so the edge to be able to take the window off, and also in the bottom as you see you have to cut it. So to take the whole window off, now we go from the outside. To take that off you have to take this black frame off. So it's very easy, you just need the hammer and the play bar. So we use the play bar to put it under like this. This is a play bar. You just slide the play bar inside behind the wood and use the hammer to knock it off, and it's just gonna come out easy because it's just a nail like this one. You see, it's very easy. We just put that and completely came off. Come out very pretty easy. Next thing you have to do, you have to take all this plastic around, you have to take it off. So if you want to take the window off first, but the other way is take the whole window with the glass on. So that was our mistake. We take the glass off and then take the whole window. But if you put the salsa around the frame, you can take the whole window off. So like here, you see we broke the glass, and make sure you don't break the glass. So you can put the heat gun and because get the glue loose on the glass and then take the glass off. But it's better to just go around from outside. You just go around it and cut the whole frame out. So this is the piece, we're gonna take it off. So we use another 2x4 you want to keep this piece for the another project, but if you don't need, you can just cut it. It's very easy. So for the inside, because we're gonna put the frame after this, so we're gonna have a nice cut. So you have to use a utility knife. Don't pull it like here. If you pull it, it's gonna break. So you have to, with the utility knife, make one line, so to make sure you have a nice cut. We're gonna use the salsa to cut the wall. So make sure you take the drywall inside off first, so to see what you have behind the drywall. So in our case we have a wire, it's transferring the wire, so and we have to take the wire off too. So it's better to take the drywall inside off and then cut it. So this is the other way. So because we know we have a wire, and where is that, we just start to cutting. It's very easy and it's gonna cut simple. So right here we're gonna have a wire and we're gonna stop right there. Okay, you see that wire? So we have to cut that wire and run the wire on the above the door or under the door again. So we're gonna cut that and take the wall out. There you go, we took the wall out. So as you said, if you're not sure what is behind that, make sure you take the drywall out first. You can smash it with the hammer and take it off. So our space is ready to go now. So we cut all the inside and we cut the baseboard from the inside. Everything is look good, and the outside we're gonna clean all the edges because the door is gonna install on this plywood. So on the bottom, as you see, we have one 2x4, but we're gonna add another one on the top because we have an 80-inch window and we have more space. So we're gonna add one more in the bottom, and the door can install on that. There you go. We just put one piece of the 2x4. Make sure it's treated wood, and we're gonna put the one screw to connect these two together. All right. So just make sure you have the safety shoes on. when you want. Not like that, okay? So we're gonna add one like aluminum tape is especially for the window. I'm gonna put that link in the description. So to get the moisture and doesn't let the moisture come inside the home. So you see I put this tape all the way to the edge. Add all the way. There you go. So we put the tape all the way around the frame to make sure there is no moisture have a chance to come inside the home or the water. So that way you good. So we're gonna add the caulking, and we're gonna add the some foam inside between two gap, so to make sure this gap is also filled with the foam. I'm gonna add the so this is the caulking we use. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you wanna buy it. So especially for the door and window, so we're gonna add it all the way to the big piece on the bottom and all around the window. So to double check our job, so we're gonna add the silicone on the door as well, so to make sure there is no water coming in. So we put the door in the place, so make sure you have a help to do that. And first you have to go to the top, you put the top in, because there is a wood over there. You have to go up first the top, and then you put the water in, and you put a couple of screw to everything be in the place. So and then we're gonna put the sliding door inside. So take the sliding door off to don't be heavy, and you can later put the sliding door in. So we add some silicone around the window as well to make sure there is no water gonna come in. So you have to go like I said, first the top, put the top in, and gently you put the bottom inside. And then when you put that to hold the door, like I show you, this is the nails. We put one nails here, and we put one nails on the other side to hold the patio door. And then we go inside to level the door. So you have to put the level before you put your sliding door, and make sure your door is level. And you can do the vertical and horizontal both, but my door was level already, and I installed the sliding door. So if you know if somewhere is not level, just use the mesh, use the shim, and put the nails like here. Like if it's not level, you put the shim and you put the screw on the top, so to leave it level. So after you level the inside, you come outside and you put more nails to make sure the door stay in the place, and that's it. So everything is good in the place. So now we want to put the doorknob and the handle and the lock. So to put that, you have to put this here. Okay, so you measure, so where is your place is gonna be, and you measure that and you put on the frame, so that way you know where the lock is gonna latch. Okay, you have to test it. So we put that on the lock position and we place that here, so to know exactly where it's gonna be. So and then mark it and measure it and mark it and put that on the wall. There you go. We're gonna measure here, and then we transfer the tape measure in the other side, and we're gonna mark it. So this is the place it's gonna be. But if you see, we have a four hole here, but two of them is bigger. You can slide up and down. You see the top one on the left and the bottom one on the right. So I'm gonna use those because if I make a mistake, I can go up and down. So you mark it in the middle, so you have a chance to make it a little go up and down. So first we're gonna make the hole with the drill, and then after you made the hole, you can put just the wood screw and just go all the way to the stud, and we put the some shim behind it to hold the door in the place. So now we're gonna test it. So it's perfect. So you see the door is locked. So you're good to go. So we're gonna cut all the mesh. It's very easy. You can take it with your hand, or it's hard with the some utility knife. And after that, when we close the door, we're gonna make sure everything is on the place. And we took the door off. We forgot to put one screw here, so we put one screw here for the top, one screw at the left side is going all the way to the wood above, and one in the middle, so that way the top part also is secret. So we're gonna add the foam, so make sure you use the foam especially for the window and door. There is the other foam is gonna expand a lot and it's gonna move your door, so use this one and don't put too much. So we're gonna put all the way to cover the gap around, and then cut the extra. So after foam got dry, you see here is dry, you will cut it with the utility knife. So make sure it's dry, because if it's not that dry, you make a mess. So let it at least be couple hours or one day to be dry, and then take it off. So after that, we're gonna put the frame around. I have another video, I'm gonna put the link in description. Make sure to watch that. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe the channel. I will show you how to fix your home by yourself without paying anyone. So have a great day.